Baby Shark and the colorful umbrellas. Hey talented artists! We have a super fun and colorful drawing to explore. Are you ready to dive into a world full of happiness and colors? Let's get going! One sunny day, deep in the ocean, baby shark, goldfish, and blue jellyfish decided to have an underwater picnic. But, there was one problem. The sun was too bright and they needed some shade. Goldfish excitedly said, I have an idea! Let's make magical umbrellas. Baby Shark smiled and said, Magical umbrellas? How is that possible? Jellyfish giggled and said, Let's try and find out. Each of them made their own magical umbrella using colorful seaweeds, shiny shells, and the sun's glow. These umbrellas didn't just give them shade, they also played beautiful music when they swam under them. The three friends swam happily with their umbrellas, making all the other fish smile. The fish watched them and laughed. Baby Shark and his friends realized that with a little creativity and teamwork, they could solve any problem. Wow, kids! Did you like this story? What do you think about the umbrellas? I really like them. Let's look at the tiny fish on the left. Wow, he is so tiny. The little fish is smiling, and his big round eyes are full of excitement. He is wearing a super cute hat. And, of course, he's got an umbrella. Now, who should we draw next? Right here.
Come on, let's follow and see.
Can you tell me? Yes, let's draw Baby Shark. First, let's draw his eyes. He is winking at us.
And join us, the adventure's just begun. Daddy Shark with his green umbrella, a happy big shark.
Now, we draw his round head. Here we go.
And nothing can lose under the sea where it's nice and bright. Baby Shark, Mommy Shark, Daddy Shark, what a sight. With their umbrellas up, they're ready for some fun.
He has his mouth wide open, showing his sharp but friendly teeth inside. But don't worry, this shark isn't scary at all. In fact, he is super friendly.
Tomorrow and we'll swim some more. Under the sea where it's nice and bright. Baby Shark, Mommy Shark, Daddy Shark, what a sight. With their umbrellas up, they're ready for some fun. Come on.
Let's draw his back fin.
Baby Shark with the yellow umbrella, smiling so big. He's the little fella.
And of course, his umbrella.
As he's dancing up and down. Under the sea where it's nice and bright. Baby Shark, Mommy Shark, Daddy Shark, what a sight. With their umbrellas up, they're ready
You are doing an amazing job.
Mommy shark with her purple umbrella waves at her friend. She's such a sweet fella. She twirls in the sea with joy and with glee. Come on, let's follow and see what we see. Under the sea, where it's nice and bright.
Kids, are you ready to meet the adorable new character? Yes, let's meet our jellyfish. She is on the right side. This little jellyfish has his eyes closed and a soft smile on his face.
Together they swim and nothing can lose.
He looks like he's having the best time ever.
Mommy shark, daddy shark, what a sight. With their umbrellas up, they're ready for some fun. Come along and join us, the adventure's just begun. With umbrellas bright, we swim all day. In the sea so blue, we splash and play. Baby shark, mommy shark, daddy shark and more. Come back tomorrow and we'll swim some more. Under the sea, where it's nice and bright.
On top of his head is another umbrella.
They're ready for some fun. Come along and join us.
It looks like it was made just for him.
Baby shark with the yellow umbrella, smiling so big. He's the little fella swimming through the waves, splashing all around, making big waves as he's dancing up and down. Under the sea, where it's nice and bright. Baby shark, mommy shark.
Let's make our lines even darker.
Umbrellas up, they're ready for some fun. Come along and join us, the adventure's just begun. Mommy shark with her purple umbrella waves at her friend. She's such a sweet fella. She twirls in the sea with joy and with glee. Come on, let's follow and see what we see. Under the sea, where it's nice and bright. Baby shark, mommy shark.
It's time to color! Yay! Do you remember our first fish? His body is bright orange. Yes, orange. Let's color him orange.
He spins in the water, making cool moves. Together they swim and nothing can lose. Under the sea, where it's nice and bright. Baby shark, mommy shark, daddy shark, what a sight. With their umbrellas up, they're ready for some fun.
His lips and mouth are red.
With umbrellas bright, we swim all day.
Take your time and color with me.
Shark, mommy shark, daddy shark and more. Come back tomorrow and we'll swim some more.
He's wearing a super cute green and pink hat. So, his hat is green and pink.
Under the sea, where it's nice and bright. Daddy shark, mommy shark, daddy shark, what a sight. With their umbrellas up, they're ready.
You know the colors. How exciting is that?
Just begun. Baby shark with the yellow umbrella.
He is holding an umbrella. Let's color his umbrella with orange.
Under the sea, where it's nice and bright. Baby shark, mommy shark, daddy shark, what a sight. With their umbrellas up, they're ready for some fun. Come along and join us, the adventure's just begun.
Orange and white. Let's color our cute baby shark. We know what color should we use, right? Yellow it is.
Sea, where it's nice and bright. Baby shark, mommy shark, daddy shark, what a sight.
Our baby shark is yellow. That's so funny. How is he even holding it underwater? But hey, this is a magical drawing word. So anything is possible. His body is bright yellow with a white belly. Let's color inside of its mouth. Don't color his teeth. They are white. We use our red color for inside of its mouth.
Ready for some fun? Come along and join us. The adventure's just begun. With umbrellas bright, we swim all day. In the sea,
Now let's color the umbrella.
shark, mommy shark, daddy shark.
Baby Shark's umbrella is bright yellow. Yellow and white. Now let's color our fun jellyfish. She is going to be blue. The body is bright blue and round cheeks are blushing pink. It's a happy jellyfish. Let's use our pink color for the cheeks. On top of his head is another umbrella. Let's use white and blue. In the background, we can see lots of wavy blue lines that make it look like the ocean is moving. There are also tiny bubbles and round blue circles floating around, making this picture feel even more playful and fun. You can even add some seaweeds or some cute shells. This drawing is full of happiness and good vibes. Where do you think these three funny friends are going? Maybe they're getting ready for an underwater party. Ta-da! We did it! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you later! Bye!